Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your username in Snapchat. So you might have seen multiple videos on YouTube in which people say how you can change your username, but at the end of the video they only show you how you can change your profile name. But today in this video I'm going to actually show you how you can change your username. So first of all, open up your Snapchat application, then go to your profile at the top left corner and then click at the setting button at the top right corner. When you reach the setting panel, just scroll down to the bottom until you find support. Here, support, and then just click on I need help. So if you read in the Snapchat support panel, even they will say you cannot change your username, but there is a way that you can actually do that. Let me show you. Click at the arrow at the top left corner and just go back to setting page, then go to the column of feedback and click on I spotted a bug, and then just click on the box which says profile. So what you have to do in here is just ask as politely as you can and also add your current username and the username that you want, and after filling all of the details just press submit. And then within few days the Snapchat will email you and will ask for your identity verification, because they will check are you the real person who is actually asking for changing the username. And after you give your identity proof, and within a few days you will find out that your username has been changed. And that's all. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.